You want to ask yourself very clearly, why do I want to reach this goal? What is it going to do for me? And even more importantly, and this is a really big key that a lot of people go through their whole life and they never get, everything that you ever want, ever, any goal you have, is because there's a certain way you want to feel. And you believe that by accomplishing this or achieving this or receiving this or going to this place, whatever the case may be, that by doing that, it will give me this feeling that I'm looking for. So ask yourself, what's the feeling that this will give me that is the reason why I want it in the first place? And you might be surprised what you find. And I can give you a hint that in one form or another, every single time you want something, it's because you believe you're going to feel better. So the answer is always happiness, but in what way does that manifest in this desire that you have?
Check out the link in our bio to save 50% on life coach certifications and courses.